Hello everyone, myself Dr. TV Nagaraju. I am working as an associate professor in Department of IT, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In this session, we are going to discuss about the super keyword in Java. What is a super keyword? Why we are using this super keyword in Java? The main purpose is super keyword is used to refer the immediate parent class object. I think you know this keyword. This is used to refer the current class object. Exactly. Super is used to refer the immediate parent class. What is mean by immediate parent class? Suppose A, B, C. In this, if you are using super in C, it is possible to access only the parent B. It is not possible to access from class A. Here B is immediate parent class for C. To access that one, we are using this keyword. Now, what are the three uses? Mainly like this, super is also used for three purposes. The three uses of super keyword: to refer the immediate parent class instance variable, parent class method, parent class constructor. Now we will see one by one. So to refer the immediate parent class instance variable, why super is required? By using inheritance. General assume if you want to use super means the parent to child, means inheritance is available. If you have inheritance in the sense the parent class members are available to the child class, then what is the reason of using super? The thing is, suppose if one instance variable in the parent and child both are same, then to avoid the ambiguity between the parent and child, parent is accessed by using super. You got it? If the variables are different, no need to use the super. If the variable is same, then only you need to use the super. Now, I will show this with one example. Class sample. Suppose use some string name is equal to some Raju. I given just to one variable. Here what I am doing, actually the methods are also not at all required. So my thing is to understand instance variable. I written one instance variable. Now class sample2. Here I given this one name as sample1. To make sample2 as the child class, extends sample1. Now what happened? Internally, the name is available in sample2 also. Why? Because of inheritance. Anyway, here what I am doing, string name is equal to Naga. I given the name. Observe the variable name in the parent class sample1. The variable is NAME name. In the child class sample2 also the name is NAME name. Now here I am going to display one method. I written one method system.out.println. Just to I am printing the name. Close the display. Close. Now class demo super1 public static void main create an object for the child class sample2 some ob is equal to new sample2. Now by using this object, call the display method. Okay, now what is the output? So ob2.display, you are printing name. So which name, Naga is printed or Raju is printed? Obviously, the name is overridden in the child class. The name is overridden in the child class. Obviously, it takes the child class value NAGA only. I will show In this example, till now I am not using super. Now, observe what is the value? The value in the child class only. Now, what I am doing? So, to access the parent class also, here I am using like this system dot out dot print. Not only for printing purpose, any calculation purpose also you can do. Out dot println super dot name. Now you got it. Super dot name refers the parent class instance variable. Save and execute. Now the first one is the parent class name, second one is the child class name. Clear the thing? So in this way we are using super keyword. This is the first use of super, to refer the instance parent class instance variable. What is the situation? If both parent class and child class have same variable name, to avoid ambiguity, we are using super with the parent instance variable. Clear? Now, move to second one. Super is used to refer the, invoke or refer the parent class method. Again the same thing. Parent class method. Because of inheritance, the parent method is available in the child class. But suppose if the method is overridden means the same method signature, I changed the body. By default, which one is executed? Child class is executed. Suppose if you want to access the parent class also, then super dot parent. Now I will show with the example. Instead of this, now I am writing one method display. I am just changing this example. System dot out dot println. I am in parent. I written a message like this for understanding purpose. I am in parent now. So in the child also, I created the method. Same method display. Here I am in child. I am in child. Clear? Now once you are creating an object and you are calling the method, which one is executed? In the child, I am in child, that is only executed. If you have doubt, check that one. See, I am in child only executed. Now you want the parent method. Here simple thing, at super dot display at any position. If you are calling super dot display, then it calls the parent class, immediate parent class display. Now observe what happened. Ob dot display, it calls this display method. Inside the display, I am calling this one. See, first inside the display I am calling this one. So first I am in parent, followed by I am in child is executed. Clear? To access the parent class method with the same name, simply super dot. Now move to the next use of super. Super is used to invoke the parent class constructor. The parent class constructor. What is the meaning of that one? So simply by creating an object for the child class, which one is executed? The child class constructor only. Now I will show with one example. Sample one constructor is created. Now here I doesn't need any method. Sample2. No need to call this one also. Now what is happened? You are creating an object for the child class. By using that object, this constructor is executed, right or not? this constructor is not at all executed, even though inheritance is possible, but this constructor is not at all executed. Now I will show you the executed. See here, observe, this constructor is executed. Here observe the thing. So OB, I am in parent constructor, just to avoid confusion. Now here observe what happened. I am in parent constructor, I am in child constructor. Here the thing is, sir, you are saying by creating this object, only this constructor is executed. Only sample 2 constructor is executed. But sample 1 constructor, parent constructor is not at all executed. But in the output it shows, yes, actually these are the constructors without parameters. Suppose see, so constructor sample 1 in class cannot be applied. Why? Why? Actually here till now I am not calling anyway sample 1, but it is not possible. By default without parameters it is not a problem. Now what I am writing? Super of. Now I am in parent constructor followed by name. Now you got the point. By default without any parameters there is no problem, but by using super of you can call the parent class constructor with parameters also. Without parameter the compiler automatically adds, but with parameter you need to manually pass the value. I think you got the difference. So these are the main uses of super. Anyway, I will show you one more time. Remember, super is used to refer the immediate parent class. That is the most important thing. What is the meaning of immediate? So A, B, C. So A is the immediate parent class for B. B is the immediate parent class for C. So from the parent instance variable, in what situation? So the parent class and child class have same instance variable. To access the parent class instance variable, what is the syntax? Super dot instance variable. Now the parent class and child class have same method, means overridden method. To access the parent class method, you need to write super dot method. Now the parent class and child class are not same constructor. Why? The name of the constructor is name of the class only. So whenever you are creating an object for the child class, implicitly first the parent class constructor is executed followed by child class. Assume if the parent class constructor is associated with some parameters, then by using super of with parameters, then only the parent class constructor is executed. So these are the main 3 uses of super keyword. Clear? So this is super keyword. Thank you.